Hello everyone, welcome to Code Go News. So for today, I am going to discuss to you about order by and group by clauses. So the order by is actually used to sort the data or the records in a particular order. So let's say for an instance, we are going to um, discuss to display or project on our screen. So let's say we have all the records of our from our TBL pet, and then we want to display the order of the sorted order in pet name. So where I'm so order by pet name. So we can do that by, I'm so sorry, order by, wala siya ka-order. So we have here order by. So notice that in our without order by, we can see that the Liza is actually the last parang last mm, value or inserted record. So we have here Chris, Kyle, and they are actually parang not in order. So let's say we use the order by, so order by pet name. So if you try to observe, our pet name now is ordered in that in a from in ascending order. So by the way, there is here a something like ASC. ASC for stands for ascending, and the ASC stands for descending. By default, automatically, if you don't put descending there or if you don't put any attribute there, automatically this automatically ascending siya. But you can actually put ASC there, but don't there's no need. So let's say i-descending na to ang name. So instead ng value niya is si Yvonne ang sa last part, karon si Yvonne na ang first na na-display as record. So we can also do that in any other records. So we have pet color there. So our pet color in descending. So nauna na si white, violet, so on and so forth. So if you remove the descending, the color now will be back to black, okay, and so on and so forth. So you can always do that to any of your fields here in your program, any of your fields in your database, okay. So how about group by? So when we talk about group by clause is it is going to show the how to group the our rows into category based on the columns or based on an expressions. So example, if let's say we want to the butters we have a query earlier about aggregate functions about count, and we display like count from TBL pet. Yan. So we have 49, and then let's say where pet gender is equal to male. So we have 30, and let's say we have female. So that aggregate function is actually limited to do that. But what if we want to display all the gender type with its corresponding number of values in our database? So we can do that by using group by. So usually partnered you'd see aggregate function and group by, as I've said, no, nag-discuss ko about group by. So you can have here like count, or you can have here pet gender, or you can have here like any asterisk, meaning you count all, and then from TBL pet. Okay, so let's also display here pet gender. Okay, and then group by. Okay, by the way, without group by, so we only display male, which is 49, but notice that our male is only 30, no, not 49. So that's why we use group by here. So from TBL pet group, by pet gender. So in this case, if you're going to invoke that SQL statement, this time you have here the pet gender, you have the null as the value. So meaning we have two values of our pets with null values in the gender, and then our female has 15, and then we have 30 males, and then transgender is one, and undecided for now is we have one. So we can also do that to, let's say, type. Okay. So let's say we want to have here type, then count from TPL pet, group by pet type. So meaning to say, in the table depicted, we have bird here, which is 5. So again, pwede nato na siya i-alias, let's say, uh, record or frequency or whatever imong ibutang. So we have 5 records of bird, 8 cats, 1 crocodile, 20 dogs, 2 dragons, 8 na fish, and then 1 frog and 4 spiders. Okay? So you can also use count, like if you want to mm, parang duha ka conditions, duha ka column ang i-match niya together, na dapat male dog, male female dog or something like that, and then pet gender, pet type, count from TBL pet group by, let's say, pet gender. Ayan. So meaning there are now two propositions or parang conditions that is going to be matched accordingly. So with this, as you can see, you have here, we have null bird. So meaning isang bird na ang gender niya is null is 1. Isang, isang crocodile na ang gender niya is null. Okay. One bird na female, 3 female cats, 7 female dogs, 3 female fish, 1 female frog, 3 male birds, so on and so forth. Then we have 11 male dog, and then we have there, no? So that is using group I. Okay, so I guess that's it for order by and group by. And thank you guys for watching this video and have a great day ahead. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. LOL.